Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your math sample paper with solutions.
Sample paper for class 3. Question 1. I am a 2-digit number. One of my ones digit is 3 times my tens digit. The sum of my digits is 12. What number am I? Let the tens digit be x and the ones digit be 3x. Given the sum of digits is 12, that is x plus 3x is equal to 12. That is x is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. That is x, and 3x is equal to 3 into 3, which is 9. So the number is 39. That is option C. Question 2. A fruit seller has 24 apples and 18 oranges. He packs them into bags, putting 6 fruits in each bag. How many bags does he need? So the total number of fruits will be 24 plus 18, that is equal to 42. Number of bags needed will be total fruits upon the number of fruits in each bag, that is 6. That gives us 7. Option B. Question 3. A box contains 100 chocolates. If each student gets 8 chocolates, how many students can share the chocolates and how many will be left? Dividing the total number of chocolates from by the number of chocolates each student get, that is 8. That leaves us with 12 and remainder as 4. So the answer is A, 12 students and 4 left. Question 4. A hall has 6 rows of chairs. Each row has 9 chairs. How many chairs are there in total? Total number of chairs will be number of rows into number of chairs in each row. That gives us 6 into 9, which is 54. That is option B. Question 5. I am an even number. I am greater than 10 but less than 20. My ones digit is 3 more than my tens digit. What number am I? Given that the number is between 10 and 20, the tens digit will be 1. And the ones digit is 3 more than the tens, so the tens digit will be 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. The number is 14. That is option C. Question 6. What is the sum of 289 and 176? That is 289, 176 plus. That will be 6 plus 9, that is 15 with carry over 1. 8 plus 7, 15 plus carried 1, that is 16, carry over 1. 6 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. That is 465. That is option A. Question 7. If a chocolate costs rupees 35, how much will 12 chocolates cost? The cost of 12 chocolates will be the price of one chocolate, that is 35, into number of chocolates, that is 12. That is equal to 420. That is option B. Question 8. A farmer has 540 apples and sells 275 apples. How many apples does he have left? Apples left will be total number of apples minus apples sold, that is 275, which is equal to 265. That is option C. Question 9. What is the product of 25 and 16? The product is the multiplication, that is 25 into 16, which is equal to 400. That is option D. Question 10. A school has 960 students and divides them equally into 12 classrooms. How many students are in each classroom? The number of students in each classroom will be the total number of students upon the number of classrooms, that is 12, which is equal to 80. That is option C. Question 11. Simplify the fraction 12 by 16. 12 by 16 can be simplified as dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. That is option A. Question 12. If you eat 1/4 of a pizza and your friend eats 2/4 of the pizza, how much pizza is left? So the total pizza left will be 1, which is whole, minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 4. That is option A. Question 13. What fraction is shown in the figure? For the fraction, the denominator is the number of parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the numerator is the parts stated, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5. So the answer is B, 5 by 2. Question 14. Arrange this fraction in ascending order. To arrange the fractions in ascending order, the numerators must be equal. That is 3 by 4 into 3 by 3, which is equal to 9 by 12. Next, 1 by 2 into 6 by 6, which is equal to 6 by 12. And 2 by 3 into 4 by 4, that is equal to 8 by 12. So arranging 9 by 12, 6 by 12, and 8 by 12 in ascending order, that is from least to highest, that is 6 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12. That is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, and 3 by 4. That is option A. Sample question 15. Which of the following fraction is not equal to 4 by 5? Simplifying all the fractions down to 4 by 5. That is 8 by 10 is equal to 4 by 5 when divided by 2 by 2. 12 by 15 is equal to 4 by 5 when divided by 3 by 3. 20 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5 when divided by 5 by 5. But 6 by 10 when divided by 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 5, which is not equal to 4 by 5, so answer is D. Question 16. Ravi has rupees 100. He buys a pen for rupees 20 and a notebook for rupees 50. How much money is left with him? So the total amount spent will be 20 plus 15, which is equal to 70. The amount left will be total amount minus the amount spent, that is equal to 30. That is option B, is 30. Question 17. A movie ticket costs rupees 120. If a family of 5 goes to watch the movie, what will be the total cost? The total cost will be the cost of one ticket into the number of tickets, that is 120 into 5, that is 600. That is option B, rupees 600. Question 18. You have rupees 200 in coins of rupees 5 each. How many coins do you have? So the number of coins will be total amount upon value of each coin, that is 5, which is equal to 40. That is option C. Question 19. The purse contains 3 notes of rupees 200 and 5 notes of rupees 50 and 10 coins of rupees 10. What is the total amount in the purse? The value of 200 notes is 200 into 3, that is 600. Value of 50 rupees notes will be 50 into 5, that is 250, and 10 is 10, which is equal to 100. The total amount will be 600 plus 250 plus 100, that is equal to 950. That is option B, rupees 950. Question 20. Shopkeeper sells apples for rupees 150 per kilogram. If you buy 2.5 kilograms, how much will you pay? So the amount payable, that is value per kilogram, that is 150 into amount quantity, that is 2.5, which is equal to Question 27. How many diagonals does a hexagon have? A hexagon has 6 sides, and the formula for the number of diagonal with the n-side polygon is given by n minus 3 upon 2. Given n is 6, that is 6 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 9. So the answer is B, 9. Question 28. What is the name of a 3D shape with only one vertex and one circular base? The 3D shape with only one vertex is a cone. Question 29. A triangle has one angle equal to 90 degrees. What type of triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle. Question 30. A cube has a side length of 2 centimeter. What is its volume? The volume of a cube is side cube. That is 2 cubed. That is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. That is 8 centimeters cube. Question 31. The colors of fridge preferred by the people living in a locality are shown by the following pictograph. Read the table and answer the question given below. Find the number of people preferring blue color. Given that one icon shows 10 people, the people who prefer blue are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 into 10, that is equal to 80. That is option C. Question 32. The following pictograph shows the number of apples picked by 4 children. If each apple represents 2 apples, how many apples did Aman pick? The number of apples picked by Aman is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. 6 into 2, which is equal to 12. So the answer is B, 12. Question 33. The median of 4, 6, 9, 2, 8, 10 is. Arranging the sequence in ascending order, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. Since the number of observations is an even number, the median will be average of middle two terms, that is 6 and 8. That is 6 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 7. That is option B. Question 34. The scores of 10 students in a math test are 897, 810, 99, 810, 9. What is mode of the scores? The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the data set, counting the occurrence of each score, that is 7 occurred once, 8 occurred 3, 9 occurred 4, and 10 occurred twice. So 9 occurred the most, so the answer is 9. Question 35. The following pictograph shows the number of Maruti van manufactured during a week. Read the table and answer the question given below. Find the number of Maruti vans manufactured on Wednesday. We are given that one van icon represents 100 Maruti vans. So the number of vans manufactured on Wednesday are 1 into 100, which is equal to 100. That is option B. Question 36. If A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3, then what is C? We can see that the alphabets are numbered according to the alphabetical order. So Z, which is the last alphabet, is to C, 26. Question 37. Find the correct mirror image of the following letters. The mirror image is the image that replicates this but in reverse order. So the mirror image for this will start with A, E, R, L, A, B, R, E, V, N, O, N. Comparing with the given options, the answer is A. That is A. Question 38. Find what will be the fifth pattern. In the problem pattern, we can see that the straight line is falling gradually. So the next pattern will be the line fallen completely, that is D. That is option D. Sorry. Question 39. What comes next in the series A, E, I, O? The series is all the vowels that are A, E, I, O, U. So the next will be C, U. Question 40. Arrange the following logically. Planting seeds, watering plants, harvesting crops, preparing soil. Let's number these as 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we'll prepare the soil, then we'll plant the seeds, then we'll water the plants, that is 2, and then we'll harvest the crop, that is 3. So from the given options, the answer is A, 4, 1, 2.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.